Hello everyone and welcome back to Leighton Vans. Now we're in the showroom, it's Tuesday morning. We're waiting for some special guests who've been stuck in some traffic on the M1 this morning, but I'm leaning against something that is the main reason why the special guests are coming up and we're doing a video today, and that is the new shape Amarok. Now we have got Stefan and their fitter Owen on their way up from EBC in Northampton. In their truck, they have got the first big brake kit for the new shape Amarok and new shape Ford Ranger. So we are super excited that they're on the way up. We've got an Amarok down in the workshop, already stripped down, ready for us to jump straight on it as soon as Stefan arrives. We're going to give him a little bit of a tour. Probably not so much of this place because he's more interested in the workshop and what's happening on those mechanic ramps. So we'll have a quick wander around, give him a quick tour and jump in straight onto the fitting with Matt, one of our technicians. Say the Amarok's all stripped. It's first test fit. We've not fitted it to a vehicle. We've basically scanned the brake setup that's on them from standard, 3D scanned. And then the guys at EBC have worked their magic in the background, and today is first test fit. So fingers crossed that it all goes smoothly and that what we've thought of and what the ideas that we've had have worked. So we're going to just grab ourselves a coffee, wait for Stefan to get here. As soon as he's here, we'll get cracked on. So we're down at the workshop. We've just given Stefan a quick introduction to LV1. This is the first time that Stefan's actually been to LV HQ, so it's really good to have you here, mate. Yeah. Appreciate it, even though it took you 4 hours to get here.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
But yeah, we stood in front of an Amarok. We've got the transporter kit done. That's just cracking along nicely now. We've got a couple of new bits on the way for new vehicles. Yeah. One of them being the Amarok behind us and obviously the Ford Ranger, because the brake setup the same.
Yep, exactly the same.
So we've been down and we've scanned the brake setup on both vehicles. Thankfully, Stefan's got a previous model Ranger, and the kit is near enough
identical, yeah.
And there might be something that we can do
to make them interchangeable.
Yeah. So it's obviously new Amarok, new Ranger, and all being well, previous model Ranger as well, which is from 2012.
2012 onwards, yeah.
Yeah. So a big range of vehicles there. But we've got the first production kit in front of us. We've got Vorney and EBC's tech behind the camera, ready to shift us out of the way, jump on it, and we're going to do some test fitting and we'll make sure it's all right, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, get cracked on. So you've just seen us in the workshop with this blue Amarok behind us. Now, we have now fitted the first EBC big brake kit that is specific for the Amarok and the Ranger. We've done the test fitting on this one. The guys from EBC, Stefan and Owen, have been up with us today, just overseeing the fitting, having a look for any changes. There's a couple of little bits that we want to change on the production kits, more for holding the brake line and where the brake line's held. But it's relatively small changes. We're all super happy with the outcome of today. We've got it fitted. We've just come a little bit out of the way of Rotherham up into some peace and quiet. We're gonna get a bit more video, a bit more photo, and yeah, just take it on a run and see how they fare up. Right, so test fit of the new EBC brake kit for the Amarok and the Ranger, done. Took it for a drive out, see how they perform. We've not gone, we've not gone miles in it, but just in the first 5 or 10 miles that we've done, can definitely feel more pedal feel. I mean, I've been daily in a Ranger and an Amarok now for about 2 months, and one of my complaints was that there's just lack of pedal feel. The brakes are there, but there's nothing coming through the pedal. It feels spongy. Whereas this EBC big brake kit on the front of this has definitely made a difference to that. There's a lot more feel through the pedal, and you can feel the truck actually braking rather than pressing the pedal and almost wishing for it to brake. So really happy with that. We've checked clearances with wheels, things like that. We know exactly what we're doing. The guys from EBC have been brilliant. They've been kind enough to come up this morning and spend the day with us, and also come out and do some content with us. So that's been really good for them to see how we operate and how we push their products. But yeah, as you can see, we got it a little bit mucky. The first bit was unintentional, and then we decided, let's have some fun and get it mucky just for some lifestyle shots, really. Just to show you what one of them looks like when they actually get used as a pickup. But yeah, keep an eye out for this brake kit. It will be hitting the site very, very soon. You can have it on any of the builds that we've got in stock, on rentals and sales. You can have it as an upgrade if you've already got one of these trucks. One thing to mention as well, like me and Stefan were talking about in the workshop, is that this kit will fit the T8 Ranger, and I think that rolls into T7. I think T8's a facelift of the 7. But basically, if you've got a Ranger from 2012 onwards, and you want that brake kit, it will fit. The next job for me, just for my own benefit and to pass on to you guys, is seeing what the difference is with that brake kit when you're towing a car trailer with 3.5 ton behind you. Because that's one of the things for me that I've noticed with the standard Ranger, when I've used our car trailer with a van on it, running at nearly 3.5 ton, is that you're almost relying on the trailer brakes to bring you to a stop sometimes. So at some point, we will chuck our car trailer behind one, fully loaded, with the big brake kit, and we'll give you our honest review of how it performs with all that weight behind it as well. Because if you're into towing, and you tow a lot, that might be a really, really good upgrade. But yeah, if you want any more information, or you want to come and have a look at the kit, by all means, pop down. It is worth mentioning that it will only fit on 20s with a certain offset, so if you want to know what those wheels are, then give us a shout and we can help with that as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and keep an eye out for more of this soon.